What is the best gift you could ever give? Choosing the right birthday gift is not always easy. It can't be too silly, and it can't be too cheesy. Every parent wants to give their child the absolute best, so you look for a present that will knock out the rest. You search up high and you search down low. The birthday's coming up, and still you've got nothing to show. You ask the Smiths what they got Timmy last year. That was so expensive, it brings you a tear. But in the end, you find the ultimate thing. You know exactly just how much joy it will bring. Now, did you capture their little face as they unwrapped it? Quickly give the phone to Dad, I'm sure he will catch it. Don't forget to share the moment that made the effort worthwhile, because the best part of the gift is your child's amazement and smile. Never forget a moment. You can now see what you missed if you click down below and download our list.